How's it going, guys? Hey, gonna wrap Friday up here with a weekend analysis of what can happen with Bitcoin. So kind of a simple analysis today. It's not really looking at too much has changed. The emotional index we'll take a look at, long versus short trades, market cap strength, trades in favor, well institutional smart money, ooh, watch that, support and resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and we'll actually end the day with a trade setup, okay guys? Currently sitting at 122 wins and one loss. The one loss was on Luna, and these are great times to be taking entries. If you guys did not get into the inner circle class that I did yesterday on Zoom, make sure you guys watch it. I'm rendering the video right now, and that will be posted right here. I'll do that before today's over. All right, guys, let's dive in. Bitcoin. Here's what I'm looking at. It's pretty simple here. We're looking at this impulse move down followed by consolidation. Does that kind of look like this to you guys? Impulse move consolidation, impulse move consolidation, move back up potentially. Now, what was the precursor here for a continuation move back down? Because we can see this over here in the market. It'll go down, it'll go sideways for a little bit, and then sometimes it heads up or sometimes it goes down. Here's what I was just looking at. Here's the biggest precursor that we can look at for a market move back up when you have impulse to consolidation. It is structure supports. That's what we're looking at. Even around this level here, we're seeing these supports come out where we see this impulse move down sideways and then a jump back up because of this massive support here. I believe that's what we're probably going to see here because it even happened over here on the drop down. This went sideways just like it's going right here. And I think a reason for that was because of the supports that we already created prior to that for the move back up. So I've been very bullish on Bitcoin here, and we're going to take a look at a little more metrics. Take a look at this, guys. Price versus well money flow. Take price off. Let's just look at the well money flow. What are wells doing? I've been telling you guys, they've been selling. They've been selling a lot. And when the market starts selling off, you need to understand with these indicators that when wells sell, they're going to also start looking to buy back into the market. So when we get these really low prices in here, we're going to be looking for the demand to take over and wells to start buying this back up. If you guys are scalping with our indicators on lower time frames, you can use this, and you need to watch two things. Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section right here. And then you want to watch well money flow low as well. These two things partnered up together will give you a higher confirmation of the market heading back up. This is another reason why I believe we have a higher chance, I believe, of moving back up here and targeting this resistance at about, I would say, 36,000, then actually going back down and breaking below $20,000. I think if we had to call what are we going to hit first, 36 or 20,000? It's looking like we have more momentum to actually head back up here. And I'll give you more analysis. Let's dive into that right now. Indicators, guys, snag them in the description. You guys have 11 days left, and we're going to be upping the price of the bundle pack. So make sure you guys just snag that. All right, let's move on over here. TradeConfident.io, go to Bitcoin. Let's take a look. Emotional index was in the fearful section, and now we're moving back out. Now we're going more neutral right now. So I like to take a look at this. What has happened in the market before when we get into these situations? We do see some moves back up. And when we do see this consolidation period here, that's when we're starting to see the nice moves. Now, those of you guys who are just holding for the long term, 5 to 10 years, getting just money into the market is great. I like this metric a lot because it helps people who are swing trading, day trading, or scalping. It shows you guys if the market is in a fearful section, look to take longs. I'll show you another pairing of another metric here that works well with that. Long versus short trades, guys, this is just straight volume over here. We ended up changing this from percentage to volume so we can see exactly literally how much volume is pushed into Bitcoin right now in long trades. How much is into shorts? And we can see over here that long trades are a whole lot higher. Short trades are nowhere even close to the amount of long trades that are going through right now. So just looking at this metric individually, we can see that people are throwing money into Bitcoin. They're buying this up right here. And that's, again, why I'm thinking I don't think this is going to see a huge move back down. If they did, wouldn't people be hedging their bets on shorts? And wouldn't shorts be increasing instead of actually decreasing on this downward slope here? That's kind of what I'm sensing in the market. We can see what the sentiment is by where people are placing their money. Literally, that's how we can see that. Market cap strength. Guys, it's continuing to rise. We saw a little bit of a tick down today, but overall, market cap is blowing up over here while price action is going down. You guys can see, I was talking about this in the inner circle the other day. Look at this move down right here. And then at the same period, look at the market cap here, moving straight up. Precursor to a move back up? Potentially. Look at this move over here. Price action heading down, people acquiring Bitcoin. Guys, this is what's called also a dominance chart. So it shows people moving money out of other coins and where the money is actually flowing relative to all the market. And this includes stable coins as well. So people are actually buying up Bitcoin and dumping other coins, or they're transitioning their USDT or USDC into Bitcoin. This is a bullish sign for everybody watching Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin goes up, usually you're going to see your altcoin positions go up as well. Okay, I told you guys I was going to pair the the emotional index was something else. It's trades in favor. When you guys see this down here into the great long trade, this is where long trades are going to do best. Guys, the market's already crashed way lower than a crypto winter. It's in like a freeze right now. Look at Mana. Look at ADA. Guys, those coins are so low. Here's something interesting that I was looking at when we were scrolling through this in the beginning. Well, and institutional smart money, they came out here looking for a short. Interesting. So we need to watch that over the next couple days here over the weekend. Are they going to get what they wanted what they wanted? This consolidation period right here ended up being the precursor back down with the shorts coming out. And then that actually ended up giving us just what we needed to push back down. Same thing that happened here. I want you guys to watch this. This consolidation pattern, you need to watch the supports being broken or the resistances being broken. Okay, let's get into a little smaller time frame. You guys can watch this. Let's do the 4 hour. Let's do this. Here's the zones that you need to be drawing. You're going to be looking at a zone here. Let's get a top zone. Oops, sorry guys. Wrong button, click there. Top zone, and let's do a bottom zone here. Okay. So as far as a move back up, it's going to be 32,500. That's what I called out in the inner circle the other day. I believe if we break above that, that's going to get bullish. If we break below pretty much this level here of breaking into anywhere into the 27s, okay, anywhere in the 27s, that's going to be a bearish sign. So we need to stay above 27,000 to stay within this range, because what happened before, like I just showed you guys, that was the precursor that we could look at to kind of gauge where the market was going. And again, we're talking about this one right here, okay? Now watch for that to actually happen over here as well. Keep your eye on that. Support and resistance prices, 23,876. That's probably where we're going to drop to if we go back down. It's just a double bottom, which is actually very bullish, but there is still potential to move it down to 20,000. Dollar cost average entries, we were looking at this, guys. Every time you get a green line, throwing money into the market, you guys are going to be doing well here. Death cross will still is a 50 below a 200. And we are still in the death cross. Watch for this white line here to slam up against this 200-day moving average. When it does get there, like we saw it over here, we want to be watching for moves back down. Okay, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup. You've got money on the sidelines. We're in a trade setup right here that you guys can see. Let me move to the daily so you can see this a little bit clearer. We still have one more buy limit on Bitcoin in case we go down, and we've got it right around here at the $15,000 mark. Here's how you guys trade with us, and this is how we've only lost one trade, which was on Luna. Okay, you're taking the amount of money you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000, okay? Splitting it into 4 equal portions, or because Bitcoin is below 50% from the high to the low, we use 3 buy limits. So you'd be taking, for example, 333, 333, 333 right there. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're then going to set a sell limit up here for 100%. Leave the buy limits where they're at until the sell limit is hit, and then remove all of your buy limits and set it up again with the new buy limits, because these update every single day. They update, guys, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right. Once you have that set up, follow me in Telegram, and I will call exits for you guys with the indicators. Now, I'm going to be calling an exit on Bitcoin when we get back up over here. But the best place for you guys to take an exit, if you guys are getting in right now, is to be looking for this. Let me go back over here. Since we're in consolidation, if you get in right now and you want to scalp this, watch for trend exhaustion to get back to the top red section. That's your guys' next call, because everyone who gets in right here, you guys are looking to scalp this probably up to the structure high I was talking about. And if you do that, it's going to be a decent, it's not a ton, it's not a lot of money by any means, but it's a decent amount. You're probably looking at about 6%. Okay. So watch that next time it comes back up to look to take an exit. If you guys are very confident the market's going to keep going down, the best place is going to be trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, and that's where we're going to be looking for the drop back down, just right here, like we saw this, trend exhaustion high, well money flow moving in an upward motion here. That's where we're looking for the drops. If you guys are shorting this market, these are the places that you guys want to be watching. Right there, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. If you guys are going long, you want to be watching that. When we get down to the bottom sections here, this is where you want to be looking to go long on your scalping trades or in your entries, okay? So guys, overall, I do think Bitcoin is looking really bullish for this. Honestly, moving into May and June, I think we're going to start seeing money come back into the market. We already see long trades taking over, and we can see right here clearly that market cap's going up. So all these people who are buying right now, either we're going to crash really hard because stop losses are getting hit on all the long trades, or these guys know something that maybe the people who think it's going to go down don't know, right? And it's going to start moving back up. So definitely be watching that. To access our metrics, every single day, they update all over the weekends too. $95 a month is all we're charging, guys. All the metrics are yours to track the wells, the entries and exits for all the signals we provide, those are yours. All the master classes, the community chat, to hang out with other people, talk about the markets, and then I go live every single month in a Zoom call, and you guys can rewatch that in the inner circle. Everything is there, guys. And the indicators, last but not least, the indicators, you guys have 11 days left? Yeah, 11 days. May has 31 days. So you guys have 11 days left to get the indicators. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. Just make sure you guys do that. It'll save you the most. And you guys will end up getting all 9 of our indicators. 2 Forex indicators down here. Never code on TradingView. This is what we call the jackpot indicator. So make sure you guys snag that as well. And these are the 3 that I use every day. It's cheaper to actually get the bundle pack than buy the 3 that you need to copy me. So right now you guys are getting a really good deal. The market's down, so we want to give everybody a discount. And we will be upping the price of these indicators at the end of the month. Specifically, May 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the price will go up. So make sure you guys do click this link in the description or in the comment section. I'll pin it to the first comment and use coupon code SAVEMONEY. But overall, guys, could we head to 20,000? Yes, just use risk management because I do believe that that's potential. But overall, I would say if we're going to take a target here and take a poll between 36,000 and 20,000, I think we have a greater chance of moving back up to 36 than moving down to 20,000 is my call here. So we'll see how that pans out. I love you guys. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. And I'll see you back here on Monday. If you have any questions, email them in and we'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys. God bless you. The indicators on sale are in the description as well as the membership. Snag that, guys, and I pinned it as the first comment of this video. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.